Real estate in southeast Nigeria are entering a new era. Across Enugu, Oka, Abakaliki, Onitsha, Owerri and their surrounding corridors, master-planned estates are rising faster than ever before. Wide roads, gated communities, service plots and modern architecture are replacing the old pattern of scattered, uncoordinated development. From Enugu's lifestyle and Gulf City concept to Oka's new smart city layout to Abakaliki's expanding government-backed district, investors are seeing something different: structured planning and real capital appreciation. Today, we count down to top 5 biggest, most planned and fastest developing estates changing the cityscape of southeast Nigeria. Number 5. Coal City Eastern Alliance Estate, Enugu. This estate is located around Independent Layout Phase 2 off Enugu-Port Harcourt Road. The Coal City Eastern Alliance Estate is positioned as a high amenity mixed-use extension with tarred roads, play area, schools, leisure parks and facilities, and also expected to have 24 hours power supply. The estate is one of the fastest developing in Southeast and has one of the best layouts. Anyone who wishes to live in an organized gated community should consider owning a property here. Number 4. Helu Estate, also known as Helu District, is a gated service community sitting near Centenary City along Enugu-Port Harcourt Road. The estate is a master-planned residential neighborhood developed under a public-private partnership between Enugu State Government and developers. The estate promises modern living, standard concrete roads, street lights, reliable electricity and water supply, dedicated waste management, green spaces and other amenities including hospitals, hotels, shopping malls and recreational areas. Helu stands as one of the most planned estates in southeast Nigeria and one of the fastest developing. For buyers looking for long-term value in Enugu and southeast, Helu stands out for its scale, planning quality and ambition. It represents more than just a place to live. It aims to be a full community with infrastructure, service and the convenience every modern city dwellers want. Number 3. Oka Millennium City. The Oka Millennium City stands as one of the most beautifully planned and largest estates in Southeast. The city is a master-planned smart city sitting on roughly 110 hectares in Oka, the Anambra State capital, designed to deliver a lifestyle that blends comfort, convenience, and future-ready infrastructure. Inside the Millennium City, you will find world-class amenities, 24/7 power and treated water, reliable fiber optics, proper drainage and sewage system, street lights, gated security with CCTV and access control, paved roads, green parks, recreational spaces and planned social infrastructure, schools, leisure centers and commercial areas. If you are looking for a modern, secure living in Southeast Nigeria, Oka Millennium City is fast becoming one of the most exciting addresses. Number 2. Centenary City, Abakaliki, also known as Ochendu City. If you are hearing about Ochendu City, you should know that it is a bold vision aimed at reshaping the city line and urban footprint of Abakaliki. The idea behind Ochendu City was to create a fully planned new city layout with residential, commercial, government and social infrastructure zones. Today, Ochendu City stands as one of the fastest and most beautifully planned in Southeast. If you're looking for a place to own or invest in Southeast Nigeria, Ochendu City is one place you should consider. Number 1. Enugu Centenary City. If you have heard of the Centenary City, it refers to a master planned estate known formally as Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City, spanning about 1,097 hectares. The development is aimed at offering luxury, security, and a modern holistic lifestyle. The Centenary City plans include not just residential plots and homes, but wide-ranging amenities, an 18-hole golf course and a private 9-hole golf course, lush green spaces, good roads with street lights, treated water, reliable utilities, recreational parks, malls, schools and 5-star resorts near the lake and golf course. The Centenary City is designed to cater to many housing needs, from entry-level service plots to middle-income houses, executive houses and super executive villas, giving buyers a wide choice depending on their budget and lifestyle preference. For anyone looking for upscale living or a long-term real estate investment in Enugu, Centenary City isn't just about land and houses. It is a vision for a modern city lifestyle, combining serenity, security, and amenities that rival global city estates. As we look across the skyline of Enugu, Oka, Abakaliki, Owerri, Aba, Onitsha and beyond, one thing is clear: real estate in Southeast is entering a defining era. From master plan estates to smart new districts, the region is transforming with development that offers better infrastructure, greener environment and stronger long-term value. Investors, families and returning diasporans are all fueling this growth, turning the once quiet layout into a thriving community The Southeast is no longer just expanding, it is evolving into a modern, organized and opportunity-rich region. And for anyone looking to secure the future, real estate remains one of the greatest doors into that future. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button, and see you in my next video.